we're on Lake Fork, the Skeeter Bass Owners Tournament, and we're ready to catch big fish, catching ducks, and get really good prizes.
Yeah, let's do that.
What's up, guys?
Oh,
We found the best thing ever.
Hi, Becky.
Oh yeah.
Boom.
Does it tell you what you get?
Nope, but it's got a lucky number 7. That's got to be a good one, right?
Yeah,
Let's go.
Oh, show off the Skeeter. Show off the Skeeter on the front. Look, it's got a Skeeter on the front.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Skeeter on the front.
Let's go.
Beautiful.
Skeeter, Skeeter, Skeeter. Skeeter.
Alright, so while we were fishing the Skeeter tournament, we found Mother Ducker here. He's lucky number 7. So we went to go exchange our prizes. They gave us these 2 rods. We were feeling a little unsatisfied because he was trying to bait us, and then he gave us this.
A $150 check to Frog. Yeah.
That's a good reel.
Reel.
A Corrado reel.
Oh, we got a Corrado. Nice.
That's beautiful.
That's awesome. What else is in there?
Let's see. We got some
G juice.
juice.
Oh, what are those?
Yeah. Nope, these are not life jackets.
What are those?
Bags.
Oh, they're drug bags. Those are awesome.
Bags.
Blue could have used this today. No, G juice.
What else you got in there? Oh,
We got
some awesome pliers.
G4
Trolling
handle.
motor cord.
Oh, it's go good.
Oh, we got a cup.
Oh, that's gimmies.
A pink cup.
Oh, can I have this cup? This cup is cool.
2 different color cups. Cool.
And here you go, Gimme.
That's a pretty awesome prize package, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, good job.
Lucky number 7.
Awesome. Lucky number 7.
Ducker.
Put the stuff back in it.
So today I was fishing with my new rod and reel that I got with Ian's duck. I pulled in the fish and it was just right. It was the Goldilocks of underfish. It was perfect, beautiful. You want to stab me?
It's gonna stab you.
Hold that right there, and they'll call you when they're ready. All right.
You have to talk.
He's going to give you 5 back, take the top away, and hold it really, really tight, because he's going to measure and drop. He's going to measure and drop it in, and hold it really tight.
They want to go up the way. They want to go up the money right now.
First name?
Nikolai.
Nikolai? Nikolai?
There's no way.
Nikolai Joe.
Everybody go. There you go.
Come on up here now. Got a good one.
Go up there with him.
How many fish have you weighed in so far?
It's my first one.
Fantastic, Nikolai. I love it. Look at him. 242. Round
Yeah.
of applause for Nikolai.
Woo!
Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, yeah. Hold him up. Who are you? Ian, are you his brother?
Yes.
Awesome, dude. You guys splitting the money?
Maybe.
You better. Okay, what are you going to do with the money?
I might save it. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see once I get it.
You got a lady friend?
Not yet, sadly, but maybe in my future. We'll see.
I think it's probably something that could be futuristic.
Me too, definitely.
How old are you?
I'm 15.
15. You seen any women around here that kind of interest you?
No, sir.
Well, probably. I mean, it could happen later.
Maybe, yeah, I could.
Yeah. How about you?
No.
No ladies?
No.
He was telling me, he was lying.
Oh, wait. Let's talk about it.
No,
Is she somebody at school or is she here?
I don't have one.
She's here. He was telling me.
Damn. Let's get to know her. Is she in? You see her?
I don't have one.
Do you see her?
No, not here. She was in the line for snow cones yesterday, and he couldn't stop looking at it.
Look, I mean, we've been there, people. Snow cone, beautiful woman.
Yeah, he's living the life.
I don't have one.
Tell you what you do. If y'all see her now, let me know. Bring her up here.
All right, I'll let you know if we see her again.
All right, you go look for her. Man, you go in.
Dude, is he first?
Yes,
He's in first? Holy crap.
Number 242.
Wait, so is this like... It was a fish. I thought it was a stick at first because that's all I've been casting. But once it started moving, I realized I told you where I caught it on. I
Welcome back to the Skeeter owners tournament 25th anniversary. We got really cool prizes as you saw earlier in the video. It was really fun, and I hope we could do it next year.
Paul was the reason we're here right now. He brought us that boat. He is
The man, he is the
Yep,
goat.
he is the goat. He's the man.
He's the one that
fish was for
is
him.
the holy grail of fishermen.
Yep.
Let's go.
He only comes once in a lifetime. People like Paul.
And that we want to shout out to him.
Yep.